open the door.
Come on.
Go and open it.
Open the door, man.
You break even door.
Why did you open?
Hey,
come on. Hey, open them. Open the room. Open the room. Open them, man. I want to tell you police is not here, your shit.
Not like that. Easy. Not like that.
We didn't want to open it then. Why not my passport?
Yeah, one because it's excess. Then the home office gives me another. Brother, you know me, you say. I'm a saucy brother, you know me. These are like this. Home only.
As long as we face the open. What institution have you registered with? You say you are here to work and study, or you are studying. Oh, you're working. You're working. You're working for who? You're working in the shop, but you're working for who? So you came here to work for the owner. Where is the owner coming from? This is from our office.
You are in charge of what?
The shop only.
But why are you forging? Why are you forging our documents? This is why
our business for the
you
owners,
tell
not
that
for me.
to the
If you say to tell me,
you tell that to the court. Why are you forging our documents?
So we forge.
Even if it's your boss, you are the manager here. You are trying to make us fools now. You are busy playing and you are serious. We are serious on making us fools. Why are you forging our documents?
Under the bed. Hey, you got
Then now we eat.
What's going on here, father?
look behind that
Now it's bed and food.
This is bed, guys.
The barbecue sauce. Then they sleep here, we eat.
Yeah.
No, guys, no. No, these people no. You sleep, you sell to people. Why are you doing this?
But you do everything here.
Why are you doing this?
Food.
Are you aware that these things that we are doing it affects people's health? Are you aware of that? You are not aware.
Do they eat?
You don't care. You don't act. You don't care.
They
No,
don't
they
eat.
don't.
Get a local guy MNC to connect for these people.
So this is illegal water connection and sewer, and someone would have came here and collected these pipes illegally. So they are stealing everything from our city. You see, even their building is not properly built. They didn't follow any bylaw or processes of the city. So we have to bring in water people to come and disconnect these water pipes and this sewer that they would have done here. These people are not respecting our laws.